What's up everyone? In today's video, we're going to cover some heavy bag boxing combinations. So go ahead and follow along. For round one, we're going to start with our jab, our cross, and our jab. So your 1-2-1. If you don't know, the boxing combinations have numbers. So you'll hear me call throughout either the name of the punch or the number of the combination, okay? So once again, your jab, your cross, and your jab, or your 1, your 2, and your 1. All right, ready? Let's go. If you're a beginner, you want to make sure that you're getting full extension on your punch, making sure you're connecting with your big knuckles in your glove, letting the shoulder cover your chin, and keeping this right hand up in your guard, okay? Protecting your face and body. Ready? Let's go. Jab, cross, jab. Your jab, your cross, and your jab. 1, 2, 1. And if you already know what you're doing, go ahead and get after it. 1, 2, 1. Jab, cross, jab. Basic movement around the bag. If you're going right, step with your right foot. If you're going left, step with your left foot. And you'll see different boxers sometimes stand more narrow, some will stand more square. That's going to be your preference. And how do you feel most comfortable? When you punch, make sure to snap and bring it back, okay? 1, 2, 1. Jab, your cross, your jab. Making sure you're turning that hip on the cross to get a little more power and follow through on the punch. 1, 2, 1. You want to play with your rhythm on the combination, so make it more interesting and fun. A few more seconds. Your 1, your 2, your 1. Making sure you're punching nice and straight, letting that shoulder cover the chin, bringing your punch back, and following up with the next punch. For this combination, we're going to start by throwing our jab, our cross, and then at the same time that we slip, we're going to throw our cross, okay? So for me, I'm pretending I'm slipping across, and I'm throwing across. So exchanging, you can call this split the jab or split the cross, okay? Split the 1, split the 2. So to start, jab, cross. I want to visualize some defense head movement here now. I want to slip and throw my cross at the same time that I'm dodging one, okay? So pretending, adding some visualization to the combination for defense. 1, 2, slip 2. You'll notice I'm taking a step here, and this is to catch my balance. If I don't, I'm a bit off balance here, but if I take this small step with either 1 foot or 2, it's gonna help me recover my balance, okay? Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, slip 2. 1, 2, slip 2. 1, 2, slip 2. You'll still notice that I'm keeping this left hand up just in case. Making sure I have good defense. 1, 2, slip 2. Move around, keep that guard up, making sure you're bringing your punches back. Jab, cross, slip cross. For this one, I like to play and hit different targets on that last cross. So your jab, cross, that slip cross could go to the body or the face, okay? High or low. 1, 2, slip 2 to the body. 1, 2, slip 2 up top to the head. And if you're wondering where are my targets, for me, I always tell people it's in relation to your body, okay? So this is my body with the bag. This is my face with the bag, okay? Jab cross, slip cross. Jab cross, slip cross. 1, 2, slip 2. 10 more seconds. Jab, cross, slip cross. For our next combination, we're going to throw our jab, our cross, jab, jab. Jab, cross, jab, jab. Okay? Your 1, your 2, 1, 1. Making sure your punches are nice and straight. You're letting the shoulder cover your chin for defense. And you're keeping your other hand up and exchanging your punches. Okay? One's attacking, one's defending. 1, 2, 1, 1. Try to add those little steps off the back foot and turning the hip on the cross, because that's where your power and your speed's going to come from. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 1. Establishing your distance. 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1. 1. Turn the hip on the 2. Double jab. Okay? I like to circle out on the double jab. 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay? I am going towards the power hand side for those of you that are a little more advanced, but I'm also at the same time monitoring that right hand or your opponent's right hand, okay? Unless you're southpaw. 1, 2, 1, 1. So I'm always adding a little more visualization to my heavy bag workout. 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1. Your jab, your cross, double jab. Sometimes you can bring the punch all the way back. Sometimes you'll keep it close, so that way it travels less distance, okay? And you'll get to the target a bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 1. I'm gonna make the double 1 high, 1 low. 1, 2, 1 high, 1 low, okay? Notice I changed my levels and I get in like a squat. 1, 2, 1 high, 1 low to the body. 1, 2, 1, 1. I'm still taking these small steps so that way I know I have good balance. 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1. Your jab, your cross, double jab. Jab, cross, double jab. For this combination, we're going to throw double jab, cross, lead hook. Okay? Ready? Let's go. Double jab, cross, lead hook. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Double jab, cross, hook. Double jab, cross, hook. 1, 1, 2, 3. You can hook with your palm facing down, or you can hook with your palm facing you. On the hook, both are going to be fine. Keep going. 1, 1, 2, 3. It's just going to be preference and what you feel most comfortable with. Also at different ranges, One will feel better than the other. 1, 1, 2, 3. Double jab, cross hook. Double jab, turn your hip on the cross, pivot on the hook. 1, 1, 2, 3. Some common mistakes that I see with this cross and hook. A lot of times beginners tend to drop this hand when they throw this hook. Also, the angle of your elbow. For beginners, I would say put the elbow in line with your shoulder, okay? Once you learn how to generate power and rotation and power through the hips, and you can be a little more flexible with that, okay? Keep going. Double jab, cross hook. Up, 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 up. Emphasis on the cross and the hook. The jabs are for speed. Power on the 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Double jab, cross, hook. Back to your guard. 1, 1, 2, 3. Back to your guard. Little footwork. Double jab, cross, hook. For this combination, we're going to start by throwing our jab and cross. From this cross, we're going to add some head movement by rolling. Come back with the jab cross, okay? 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, okay? Nice and simple. If you want to add 2 rolls so you come back in center, just play with it. Have some fun. 1, 2, okay? 1, 2, roll. 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2. 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 Jab. Jab. Cross. Duck under. Roll. 1, 2. Use your legs. Squat down. 1, 2. Roll. 1, 2. Jab, cross, roll. Jab, cross. Jab, cross, roll. Jab, cross. Keep your guard up. When you duck under, keep your eyes on the target. Come back with a combination. 1, 2. 1, 2. For this, I'm keeping it simple. You can counter with anything you want, but 1, 2, roll. 1, 2. 1, 2, duck under. 1, 2. Your jab, your cross, duck under. 1, 2. Jab, cross, eyes on the target. 1, 2. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2. Jab, cross, under. 1, 2. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2. Jab, cross. 10 seconds. 1, 2, duck under. 1, 2. Jab, cross, under. Jab, cross. For this combination, we're going to throw double jab, your cross, your lead hook, and cross. Numbers 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. If you want to add some head movement, footwork, that's perfect. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Ready? Go. Double jab, cross, hook, cross. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. And go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Double jab, cross, hook, cross. Double jab, cross, hook, cross. Double jab, cross, hook, cross. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Double jab, cross, lead hook, cross. Double jab, cross, lead hook, cross. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Bringing your punches back to your guard. Your double jab is setting up that first cross, looking for your opening on the hook. If it's high, if it's low, follow through with that cross. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Double jab, cross, hook, cross. Ten more seconds. For this combination, we're going to throw our jab, our cross, jab, cross, hook, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Ready? Let's go. Jab, cross, lead hook, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, lead hook, cross. Keep going. 1, 2, guard. 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, roll if you want. 1, 2, 3, 2. Start to play with some of these defensive movements we've been practicing. 1, 2, guard. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, footwork out of there. 1, 2, roll. 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Shh. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Have some fun with it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Bring your punches back to your guard. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Body 3, 2. 'Kay, everyone, that's going to be it for today's heavy bag workout. Thanks for watching and following along. If you found today's video helpful, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Peace. Have a great day.